welcome back, and I think it is the right time to say Happy New Year to you all. Last year, we had interactions with some of our customers and clients, and then some of them were asking questions as regard how they can actually partner with Digismart and earn from it. So we listened, and then we have come up with this particular program. So I'll be showing you 4 ways by which you can earn with Digismart. So I need you to follow me closely, and then you can indicate which one you are interested in. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you can earn from is earning as a DC affiliate. Okay, you can actually earn with Digismart as a DC affiliate. Now, what does that require? What does it mean? Now, the DC affiliate is actually an initiative of Digismart Concept with sole aim of empowering our teaming youths financially. So with this program, you can earn consistently and legitimately too. Okay, so I'll be showing you 4 ways by which you can earn consistently with Digismart, and DC affiliate is one of them. So I'm going to be explaining in detail how the DC affiliate works. Let's get started. Now, the Earn as DC affiliate program is an initiative of Digismart where you earn up to 50% commission each time people sign up for the program through your link. Okay, so this is a type of program in which you are going to register as a DC affiliate and then have link, and this link is going to lead people to the DC affiliate product. So when people sign up under that link, then you will earn 50% commission for as many time you have as many people signed up. So you can actually earn consistently 50% commission on every sale that you make, or of every sign up that comes from your link. Now, this is how it works. You are going to have a pack of digital courses that are carefully selected to make you a complete affiliate. Now, you are expected to carefully study this pack and implement one at a time. You don't have to wait until you finish the entire pack before you start implementing. So you can just, as you learn one thing, you implement. As you learn another, you implement. So you can go that way until you're done with the entire pack. Okay, now the pack contains 12 short courses, and this include the affiliate framework and the sales strategies. So you are going to see in the pack the DC affiliate framework and also the Digismart sales strategies. Okay, then you're also going to have Canva design mastery there. You have copywriting, you have lead generation course, you have sales funnel course. You are going to be taught Facebook ads, how to run Facebook ads. You are going to be taught how to plan your training and how to host your training online. You are going to be taught ebook cover design and mockup in case you want to use that for your lead magnet. You are going to be taught the principle of lead magnet generation and then mastery. And then you are going to be taught sales closing and then objection handling. So you will learn how to sell, and then you also learn how to undo sales objection. And then you also learn content marketing, and also you will learn YouTube creation, how you can host courses on your YouTube and then give the link to people to learn from there. And then you can actually make it private so that you can also earn. So you are going to learn all of that. Now, what are the benefits of being a DC affiliate? The first one is you have access to 12 digital courses that you can use to scale up your own business or brand. That's the first one. Then the second one, you can also master the skills and organize training, okay, and then earn from those training. Then number three, you can earn 50% commission on each person you brought on board. 50% commission. Then number four, you will have access to weekly membership training for a year. Okay, and then for this one, the registration fee is 20,000 naira. But if you are able to sign up at this promo time, then you can actually pay a registration fee of 10,000 naira. So this is how it works.